Alright, what's going on YouTube? Right here I have my 2014 GMC Sierra SLE. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to install my flush mounted LED lights that I just picked up off eBay. Here's one of them, and the other one is just in the box there. So I'm going to be putting them in the bumper here, and they will go between my backup sensors there. So here I have a template that I just made up. So here I cut out for the parking sensor there, and that's where it's going to go. So I'll have it all taped up, and I'll walk you through the steps on how I did it. Alright, so here we have my template all taped up, and I would like to mention, before you do get everything going, just check behind the bumper and make sure that there is no wires, no brackets or anything blocking. I'll show you how it will look behind in just a second. Alright, there might be a little bit of an audio difference, but here we have my GoPro camera set up with the template on here. So what we're going to do, I got my marker here, we're just going to trace around the template. Just do the dots here. Alright, now with that traced, this will be the part that we're cutting out. As you can see, I marked an X there. I will take the template off, and then once we get the template off, I will get my angle grinder with my safety glasses, my gloves, and all my protection hearing. Alright, now we got that cut out. Let's just double check to see if this guy fits in here, and boom, like a glove. So I'll just double check with my holes with the marker, drill it out, and the light's on. Just like that, voila. Alright, now I'm going to be putting these nice stainless steel bolts in. Alright, so we have these flush mounted LED lights installed now. These are super nice floodlights, and actually in the middle is an optional turn signal that I might try to wire in. I'm super impressed with how these turned out. So I want to show you guys how bright these backup lights are here. I'll just unlock my truck and the lights will turn on. I'll show you an angle from this side, and from the side of the truck I'll show you both angles. So I did the LED conversion for the license plate and the backup lights, and also put the lights in the bumper too. Very nice bright white lights. I'll move over to the side and I'll show you guys how bright it is there too. So here's the back lane with only one street light on. I'll unlock the doors here and show you how bright it is here. The video does not do it justice. These lights are bright. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys want to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot.